grocery store, okay? All right, I'm gonna put you down now. Don't get mad at me. I gotta go, okay? I'll be right back.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the sweetest and most hilarious moments of farm owners and their animals.
Everybody, rock your body.
Ma'am, you can't go toward the light until you hand over the carrots.
Bam the alpaca, and this is Brandy the donkey, and they are absolutely addicted to me. I can't come out to feed or clean without them just oh my god.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna do it. Oh my word! You crazy cat! You crazy cat!
On a farm, that rock just happens to be the owner's back. In a corgi's mind, he's just a horse with shorter legs and better hair.
Nope.
The CEO and his feathery BOD are going for a morning meeting.
Honey, do you like crystal gel for your nail? It's the best thing you can have for your nail. Make look nice.
Baby girl, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, I'm just...
Size doesn't matter when you have a chaotic soul.
Months old. Now he's a male, which means he will not become a full-grown adult until the age of 5. Now, if you've been in here for a few minutes, then you probably already...
Oh, are we napping now? Cool, I was already planning to do that.
Hey, Sergeant, can I have kissy? Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you. Hi. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you.
Great Danes are the only breed that hasn't realized they weigh 150 pounds.
We are being held hostage by llamas.
This ostrich thinks we have something.
These guys will not get... Look. These guys will not...
Kissing is a scientifically proven way to build a lifetime bond. Sheepy's reached maximum fluff equilibrium. One more pet and he'll melt.
Good morning, cows!
He's such a gentle giant.
The ostrich is definitely thinking, oh woman, you're filming my bad side.
Being single females. The boys are coming today. Really sorry.
You won't, you know? You don't work.
No doubt, they're having a career counseling for sheep.
Sleep all day. Drink your cold bottles and your warm bottles.
Apple. We made him mad because we didn't show you getting your apple. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Willow. Willow. Would you like an apple too, baby? Hello. Would you like apple too? Only you. Yes, I love you. So be my donkey too.
Looks like Donnie will need your song on Spotify immediately.
Are you serious right now? No!
Not just a hug, that's a spiritual battery recharge. The best way to grow carrots is to flatten the dirt with his body.
Nice or mean? That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. Right by me all the time. And then little Buff comes because he's a jelly buff.
Like owner, like her shadow, it's called a perfect partnership. Based on their eyes, I know they're full of oxytocin. When the guilt is real, but the pasta is better.
Like, yeah. So easy. I'm like, look.
He was a menace.
We'll put a combination lock on there. If he does that, we're going to Hollywood. Like, I'm serious. I had to put a lock on the door.
AFGHIJKLMNOPQD.
Without a doubt, your dad is officially the alpha cow.
Kommer alla?
a run.
Behold, a 5-star holiday resort for Doggo. Grandpa doesn't do simple. Hope these farm friends made your day. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.